Welcome to this plank workout. We are starting off with a right side plank. You just want to make sure your core is tight and your body is not hiking up or sagging down. Let's do it together. Good. Just really make sure that your body is controlled. You are in control of this movement. You got this. Just a few more seconds. Good job. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Your core is tight. Your body is straight from head to toe. You're not hiking up. You're not sagging down. And you're holding strong for the full 20 seconds. Let's do it together. Planks are really good for your core muscles. They're really good for cinching your waist if you want to have a slimmer waistline. They're great for having strength overall, great for flatter abs. Wonderful exercise. Highly recommend doing planks regularly. Let's go on into full planks. You're going to keep that core tight, straight line from head to your heel, and your wrists are under your shoulders. You got it? Let's do it together. Think happy thoughts. Think positive thoughts. You got this. You got this. After this, one more exercise and you get a break. Almost there. Just hang in there. Good job. Now we're going to do an elbow plank. You're going to be leaning on your elbows instead of being straight up like we just did. Core is still tight. You still have a straight line from head to toe. Let's do it together. Good. Really engage that core. Don't hike your booty up and don't sag down. You got this. Good. Perfect. Look at that. Take a full minute to rest, catch your breath, take a look at your abs and see the result of your work already. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll be back after the break. Welcome back. We are starting off with a raised leg plank. You're going to be in that elbow plank position and you are going to raise one leg for just 10 seconds and then switch legs. You got it? Let's do it. Starting with your left leg. This is a more advanced move, so if you're finding this to be challenging, that is okay. Switch legs. Hang in there. Core is tight. You are fighting because you got this. Yes. Next up, we're doing a wide plank. This is the same as the full plank, except now your legs are wider than shoulder width apart. You can do it. It's just a few more seconds. You're doing good. Hang in there. Keep that core tight. Good. You nailed it. Good job. Next up, we have a raised arm plank. This is the same as an elbow plank, except now you're going to raise just one hand for 10 seconds, and then you're going to switch hands. All right, let's start with that left arm. Try to keep your core tight. Try to keep your body balanced. Just one arm is raised. Go ahead and switch to the other side and raise the other hand. Just a few more seconds. You can do it. Awesome. Okay, we're going back to the full plank. Your core is tight. And you got this. After this, you have just one more exercise and you are done with this workout. You would have worked out today. That is a big deal and I am so proud of you. Keep that core tight. Don't let your body sag. Good. Perfect. Finally, we have Seesaw plank. It's an elbow plank, but you're just going to rock back and forth like you are ironing the ground with your body. Good. Really keep your core engaged. This should be a slow, controlled movement. If this is too challenging, you can just do a regular elbow plank. Just a few more seconds. You're doing so good. Yes, you did it! Yay! Thank you so much for working out with me today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next workout video.